Yeah. I figured if it moved that building, there's going to be a flood.
I saw a spot.
Yeah.
I saw the water coming between those two buildings. I thought that was coming up on Ridge Street. Up there you can see the water was on top of that fence.
So the quilt store is in the park.
It's last chance, Star. It goes over fall.
See that big timber now?
Yeah.
Oh my
See the
God.
boat out there?
Oh, but where did that come from?
It just floated by.
Oh my God.
How stable those boats are, they don't even tip over.
So that big building used to be this side of that red house, right?
Yeah.
There's another kayak.
Oh, a nice kayak.
A lot of people run home foreign big time.
They're going over together. Our quiet little river. Oh, please. Oh, picnic table. There's the stairs down into the Eagles. It'll be a while till there's something down there again.
No one under the age of 21 allowed. Sign. Over here keeps bubbling up. Whoops.
So the upstairs will make it. But downstairs,
Okay, the Bridge of Flowers still has flowers. They're wet. There's the other side. The firefighters just left. A whole bunch of firefighters with nets, preparing to prepare for a rescue, came and left, thank God. The Zora outdoor kayaks and life jackets have been going down the river and over the dam, and so have the coolers and the freezers. On the other side of our bridge, from here, that water just looks like it's hitting the far side over there very powerfully. I don't think you can see it. But that's where the knitting shop used to be. And now it's down there by Lansing Goodnow.